Yeah, I still gotta set the flash.
Yeah, I'll just put my camera like on my neck like this.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta stand like right there. A little bit more. Right here? Right there. Perfect. There we go. Alright. So this is the Helios 42. It's an 85mm. I made a video before about this lens, but I kind of messed up because one of the elements in the lens is actually misaligned. So no matter how hard I tried, I could never get it to focus. But now that I'm learning to fix vintage lenses, I fixed it. And yeah, we should be able to actually focus this time.
Cool.
So yeah, let's see what we can do. Oh, that looks cool. Ready? Try shot. Test shot. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what happened to the flash? What was it again? Maybe I'm too far away. Stop picking it up. Don't worry. Fix it right now. What's up, Steve? I think we've got a new profile photo.
Damn.
Can you get a close up
Yeah.
of this?
Cool.
But I do not know why the flash is not firing. Let's see.
Howdy, come look at us. Yeah.
Can't be the battery.
Don't smoke cigarettes though. And I'm smoking cigarettes. Oh yeah, every cigarettes and smoke a cigarette.
Oh.
Got that.
You know, I'm very careful whenever I talk about any gear on my channel because whatever I mention, people just want to buy it. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good shot, Julia. 3, 2, 1. And it didn't work again. What
Oh
the-
no. That looks so cool with this mic.
But that's a good photo though.
Oh nice. It's working.
For this, you have to focus manually and you gotta zoom in. Zoom in 10, focus. Alright. Okay? Yeah, good. Oh, you should let me take a picture and film with that too. Yeah, that was, with your film camera.
Oh, I think so.
Later.
Yeah, maybe you should like carry around like. Wait, how do I?
Whoa.
Oh, there we go.
Make sure you get the little spiral bokeh.
Yep. Man, that's shaky. Let me see if it's focus.
You know why I like vintage lenses so much? They get crazy bokeh effects like that.
I see.
But like modern lenses don't have any of that. They're only focused on sharpness.
Yeah, it's way too sharp.
Lens is heavy, right?
It was pretty heavy.
Yeah, you just gotta wait for those people. Don't take off the lower side. Just like that. Alright, that's good. I want to get a shot right there too. You hold this.
doing.
Let me get a shot of you with those reflections because that's kind of crazy. By the way,
Yes.
if you're wondering why the video.
Yeah. Oh.
If you're wondering why I'm centering her in the frame and not doing the rule of thirds, it's because this lens is only sharp in the middle. So I just crop it later. Yeah.
Is rule of thirds your thing? Like, do you like rule of thirds over the center?
Sometimes.
I kind of overuse it.
Well, it's like the default one.
Yeah. But like, it kind of makes the photos somewhat really good.
But I think people rely on the rule of thirds too much.
Yeah, too much sometimes. I kind of like to get like the subject in center too.
Thank you so much.
Oh yes.
I always go with the center too much.
But you know, it's preference. You know, it's preference. It doesn't really matter all that much. Oh yeah, this is a unique lens that is only available here in South Korea.
Oh,
So
wow.
like back in the days, Minolta and Samsung were partnered here in South Korea to sell these kind of cameras. So this is not MD Minolta MD lens. This is Samsung MD lens. So you cannot get it anywhere else. So if you want to get Samsung label up there, just get it here. Only available here.
I didn't even know that lens existed, to be honest.
Right?
That's crazy.
And I
It's
pride
pretty good.
myself in this lens.
Samsung MD. Oh yeah, by the way, this is f1.4 lens. So if you want to get the crazy bokeh, right here.
So why are you shooting with that phone?
I really want to try it out. So like Noe actually commented about CINESTILL 800T, and also like was kind of interested. And I usually shoot with Lomography 800, but I was like, well, it's maybe a good idea to try some other films, you know. So I bought this one, and also I have the Lomochrome purple, and also I'm gonna try that as well later. But yeah, for tonight, it's CINESTILL.
Cool. And where do you get it processed? Where do you get it processed?
Like there's decent amount film lab in here in Seoul. I personally prefer film log.
Are you gonna film log too?
Yeah, I go film log.
Oh, no way.
And also
Do you
the
go
other
film
one
log?
in nearby here.
Yeah, I got a video about film log. Link in the description.
Like the other like those visual ambassadors, they're gonna be like, oh yo, what's up, boy? It's your boy the photographer guy. My
That-
stuff is down the link in the description. Buy all the good stuff.
Do I have to act that way to get subscribers?
You can like kind of parody it if you're like down for
I
it.
want to do a parody,
I think you should. It's,
but I
You can actually do it.
I think I'm gonna piss off a lot of people if I do it.
But like, that's,
well, you're doing
I mean,
a great parody.
Yeah, that's a great parody.
Actually, I already have like a script and like a scene shoots. I just need the actors.
Oh,
Actually, that's called like
Well, we
noise
can-
marketing.
what?
Noise marketing.
Noise
You can actually
marketing.
piss off people to get like attention.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah,
You
but
can do it.
It's like Kim Kardashian with kimono.
I don't want to.
She pissed off the whole nation.
Because I'm not trying to. It's just that.
Yeah, I agree.
you
I
know.
agree. That's kind of hard to like actually make it happen without actually like pissing off people.
All right.
Can I give it back to you?
Yeah.